Hey everyone, Ron with Remax Select here with the latest market statistics for the Portland metro area. And of course, this is for housing. These statistics are pulled from the RMLS system it's the same sample that we pull every week, and it's for both the Oregon and Washington side of the metro area. And we're tracking weekly what's happening with our market. So what we've got right now is 737 homes approximately sold last week. And that is up from the week before and coming close to what we've been seeing for previous weeks. That's pretty good there. And that's compared to 667 homes that sold during that same week last year. The number of active listings, 2822, that number is incrementally increasing pretty consistently, somewhere between 50 and 120 homes per week. So we're seeing that number just incrementally increase regularly week after week after week. And that's been going on for a little over 2 months now. There have been a little bit of ebb and flow here and there, but pretty much the pattern that we're seeing is in an increase. And that's compared to what we saw for our market statistics from the RMLS, their official statistics that came out for the month of May, showing that the inventory in months was at record low inventory. So we're seeing that number, but we're also seeing that number of active listings is increasing. The number of pending deals is still increasing. That's still, we still have a lot of properties that are under contract. And the number of new pending deals last week was 1,068, which is about 160 higher than it had been the week before. And it's in that range that we like to see week after week during the springtime. So those numbers are still strong. Average days on market, 13. Last year it was 35. Median days on market was 5. Last year it was 13. Average sale price this last week was $572,925 compared to the same week last year, $471,656. This is the first time that we've seen, in a number of weeks, that the average sale price between last year and this year is about $100,000 apart. At some points, we've seen that difference be as much as $150,000. And then the thing that I think is kind of telling is the average sale price versus the original asking price. So someone listed their home at a certain price, and what did it end up selling for, above or below, and how much above or below that original asking price did the property sell. Right now that number is 104.75%. They listed at $100,000, ended up selling for $104,075. Let me say that again. Listed at $100,000, they ended up selling for $104,750. There, I got it that time. And then the median was 105.47, and then the average sale price as a percentage of the original list price. So they listed the home, they did a price reduction. What did it end up selling for versus that original asking price? That number is 104.65. So just slightly off what the average was. So those are the numbers for this week, and I will see you next week with another update. Talk to you soon.